أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the next three words of lesson number 10. We already learned the first three words, how to pronounce these words, how to join them together, and what is the sound of these words. So our next word is this. This lesson comprises all the previous lesson, harkat, tanween, the letters of madda, vertical harkat, and the letters of leen. Read this lesson both ways, rawa as well as the hijjay. We do hijjay here. Apply all the rules, practice the recognition of letters thoroughly, and spell them out correctly, especially harufe mustaliya. While doing hijjay, join every letter to the letter coming before. Join every letter to the letter coming before. Like this, we join the dal and lam together and then kaf. We join these three letters to make a word. So first of all, we will start. The first one letter is dal. Dal pronounced softly. Dal pronounced from the mid tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. Dal has a vertical fatha sign, mean it is a vertical harkat. So you remember that when vertical harkat come, we stretch them up to two harkat or up to two alif. So we stretch them. Dal sound of dal is the. Now the dal has a vertical harka, so we stretch it. The the next letter is lam. Lam has kasra sign. So we join two letters lam kasra li, the and li. Join them together. The li, the li. The third letter is kaf. Kaf. This one kaf pronounced softly. Pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the hard part of the palate. Kaf has a fatha sign. So it sounds ka, ka. Now previous two letters and this letter join together. Dhalika, 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 dhalika. So it sounds, the whole word sounds like dhalika because dal has fatha, standing fatha, so we stretch it. Dhalika. The next word is this. It contains four letters. As you see, five letters because last is alif and alif has nothing. The first one is kaf. As you see, this one kaf will pronounce softly. Kaf has a fatha sign, so it sounds ka, ka. Now kaf have alif, so we stretch them like a little bit, like noon, wow, dama no, kanu, kanu. Kaf, stretch the kaf because it has alif and nothing on alif. Stretch the wow because wow has jazm and no harkat on the wow. We learned the wow jazm, how to pronounce wow jazm in the previous lessons. If you are not familiar to this lesson, check them out. So it sounds kanu. The next word is this. Qaf. First one is qaf. This qaf pronounced boldly. Qaf pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate. Qaf. The next one is alif and alif has nothing as you see. So we mix the qaf and alif and we stretch the qaf a little bit. Qa, qaf, alif, fatha, qa. As you see the next, this letter is same as the previous letter but previous has kaf and noon, it has qaf and lam. So lam, waw, damalu, qalu, qalu. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. This lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.